Isn't that nice? Look at that rumble seat, Model A. That looks all original. Gorgeous. Little Chevy over here, Master Deluxe. Ah. I said Model A trying to start up a whole bunch of Ford. I'm going to jump the Fords today. As pretty as they are, as pretty as they are. I want to get into over here. This is an Overland. Overland was a major manufacturer in the day. They actually started out with bicycles, if memory serves me correct. You can see the Willys Overland Company. Actually, that's Willis, not Willys, but Willis. This is what? 11? Somewhere around it? 15. Okay. Gorgeous. Rear wheel brakes only. Look at that belt. I love the horn down there to step up. That's for your fuel right there. You can see the cups for oiling. Just about as bare as you can get. Look at the rig for the accelerator. That's pretty remarkable that you got the shift on the floor already. A lot of times they had the accelerator or the gas on the steering wheel. This is something. Wow. Wow, wow. Of course, Model T. This is brass. Now, when we refer to brass and gas, excuse me, this is EMF. Bigger, pardon me. I'm going to redeem myself. Everett, Metz, and Flanders. This is the 30. This is a major car for them. This is gorgeous, just gorgeous. This is an '08. EMF actually was bought out by Studebaker, and that's how Studebaker got into the automotive world. That's gorgeous. I love the handbrake right there, the emergency brake. It's the vibrators, clock. Look at the gauge, speedometer. That was probably optional. This is big. This is beautiful. Again, EMF. I say with gas and brass, by the way. Brass, of course, refers to the trim because that's the way it was before. That's the brakes, by the way. Mechanical, external contracting brakes. That's the acetylene generator for the headlights, hence the gas. You can see you would light it with a match. You would unbolt it over here, and you had the kerosene for your side lamps. There's the little Ford, the inevitable Model T.